Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Oracabesso. Now Oracabesso is a small town in the parish of St. Mary, which is on the north coast of Jamaica. So we are entering the town now. It's a very small town. Probably about 5,000 people live in the actual town, but it's very developed, has a police station, high schools, those kind of things. Okay, on the left is, I guess you could say, the ocean, the sea, and on the right is where you'd find most other residential areas. And we're going to come up to probably what we'd call the town center, where you have a lot of stores, supermarkets, restaurants, those kind of things. You're not going to find like a tax office or that kind of infrastructure here. There are no banks. It's just a very small community between Ocho Rios and Port Antonio. Not Port Antonio. Ocho Rios and Port Maria. Those are the bigger towns. This is just a small town. Okay, we're now coming up. These are just some shops. As we said, it's just a stopover town. Nothing major. But what makes Oracabesso famous, and it's probably one of the most famous towns in Jamaica, is because of James Bond. Now, James Bond is a series, a show, a movie, but the author, the person who wrote the James Bond books, lived in Oracabesso, and he wrote the books, the James Bond stories, while living in Oracabesso. So that's a police station on the left. So Oracabesso it's a very large tourist destination, put it that way. They have a lot of villas. Golden Eye is a very popular villa that is in Oracabesso, and we're coming up to the turn off. It's along the coast, but you turn off coming up on the left. And then another very popular villa is Golden Clouds. But I think the most popular place in Oracabesso is the James Bond beach. They have it's a very nice beach. We actually have videos up of the actual beach. You can search channel and look at it. But it's a very nice beach, and parts of the James Bond movies were done at that beach. Certain scenes. And you also have a lot of concerts there, so the James Bond beach is definitely the most popular location in Oracabesso. And Oracabesso is in St. Mary, which is right beside St. Anne. And though an airport was built recently, and it was named the Ian Fleming International Airport. And a lot of persons asked, why was this airport named after a non-Jamaican? The other two airports were named after former Jamaican prime ministers. But Ian Fleming has a deep history with St. Mary, especially Oracabesso, and so that's why the airport was named after him. Alright guys, enjoy the tour through Oracabesso. We're heading towards Port Maria. So you could say we're driving from Ocho Rios to Port Maria, and we're heading through Oracabesso. So enjoy the tour. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also you can leave your comments in the section below. Have a nice day.